Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so notifications can work reliably. On your iPhone, update iOS, then install or update the Yahoo Mail or Yahoo app. Sign into your Yahoo account and complete any verification like two-step authentication. This prevents sign-in issues that block notifications. Once done, go to the app briefly to let it register with Apple Push Notification Service. This initial registration is why updating and signing in first saves you troubleshooting later. Now you'll turn on and tailor notifications so they arrive the way you want. Open iPhone settings, right arrow notifications, right arrow Yahoo Mail, and flip on Allow Notifications. Select Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners so alerts are visible. Adjust sounds and badges as needed. Then open the Yahoo app itself, visit its settings, right arrow notifications, and enable push for the specific categories like mail or news. This ensures the app requests live pushes from Apple and that your preference. Finish by confirming delivery and resolving common failures. Send a test email or toggle a sample alert in the Yahoo app. Watch for the notification. If nothing appears, make sure background app refresh is on. Force close the app and reboot your iPhone to re-establish push connections. If issues persist, sign out of Yahoo, delete and reinstall the app, then sign back in so it re-registers with Apple Push. One key tip: check Do Not Disturb/focus modes. These can silently block notifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.